Make a great choice today with the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.